Business Calculus, Topic 1.3, Section 2.2, Part 2, number 79. Number 79 is a word problem. It reads, a bacterial culture starts with 1,000 bacteria. You have 1,000 bacteria here. And it doubles in size every 3 hours. So, doubles in size every 3 hours. Okay, find the exponential model for the size of the culture as a function of time in hours. Also, use that model to predict how many bacteria there will be after 2 days. Okay, well, we want to create an exponential model from this. Well, exponential models would be of this form. So we're going to create two exponentials. Y equals a b to the x, and y equals a b to the x. Now we need points for this. Well, the input of this will be time, whereas the output will be the actual bacteria. So we know we're starting off with 1,000 bacteria. Well, no time has passed. So at 0 time, we will have 1,000 bacteria. And it doubles in size every 3 hours. So I know 3 hours later, we'll have 2,000 because it doubles. Well, these are points. So now I can input this as my x and this as my y. Later on, I'll make it t and b, or bacteria. All right, so 1,000 here for y, a, b, and x will be 0. Well, b to the 0 power is 1, and a times 1 is a. Now, I go here, and I plug in this for y and this for x. So this will be 2,000, and this will be 3. The a here will be 1,000. Okay, now I'll solve for b. Divide both sides by 1,000, and I get 2 equals b to the 3rd power. And now I take the cube root of both sides, and I get the cube root of 2 equals b. Well, I have a now and b. Therefore, my equation will be, let's block that off there, y equals 1,000, the cube root of 2, all to the x power. Now, this stands for, let's see, this y was bacteria, so I can say bacteria. And the x input is time, so I can say t for time. So 1,000 cube root of 2, all to the t. And they want to know, well, what happens in 48 hours? Well, we know what happens at the beginning, 0 time. We know what happens in 3 hours. But how many bacteria do you get after, after 2 days, should I say? Well, 2 days is a total of 48 hours. So we're going to put in 48 for our time. So the cube root of 2 to the 48th power. All right. Put that into the calculator. So let's crank this on. And what we have is 1,000, open parenthesis, cube root comes from math, 4. And we'll have 2 in there. And then we'll come out of that and close all that. And raise that to the power of 48. Okay, that should be enough there. Okay, and what we get is, well, 65 million, over 65 million. All right, so b to 48 is going to equal 65 million. Let's see, what is that? 5, 3, 6, and 0, 0, 0. And so that's the number of your bacteria that are in your culture.